Hey guys, I wanted to show off today this game that I made in Unity Engine. Um, it's the first actual game I've made. Like I made that prototype earlier. I just was copying a Flappy Bird tutorial, um, and it worked. It was actually pretty fun, and that's why I decided. It's just a clone of another game, but I decided to actually make some legitimate art assets as best as I could and try and publish it to the Play Store. So I submitted this. It's under review for the Google Play Store right now. I was just looking into trying to get it on Steam, but apparently that costs $100 per game when on Google Play. It's like 25 bucks and you can upload unlimited apps. So I just dropped the 25 bucks and hopefully I can make it worthwhile. And if not, it's 25 bucks. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, this is my game here. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the art style. It's kind of simple, but it's pretty cool. I did all the art myself. I did the sound effects. I did the music that you're hearing. For the art, I used Krita, Krita. It's like a open source painting program, and that's actually really cool. I really like it. I'm looking forward to using it more, because as I was learning more of it, it's quite a nice program, and it's free and open source, which is always a plus. Um, the music, it's an original composition by me. And I used something called MuseScore. It's another free and open source program. I had never used it before today, and I just kind of threw together some notes with some inspiration from other sheet music and just made some tweaks more or less. Then the sound effects, I just recorded in Audacity the sound effect when you flap and then when you hit something. And it was just there was a Unity tutorial. It was a video tutorial on their website or something like that. And they also had uploaded to YouTube. And I pretty much just copied that verbatim, all the code and everything. Since I was using my own art assets, there were a couple hiccups here and there. And I changed the code a little bit in a couple spots. I had to use different constant values for stuff. But I'm pretty happy with this. I don't know. I think the Google Play Store review process, I was looking it up. It might take 7 days on average, but I think they're overwhelmed right now. I'm sure there's a lot of people doing the same thing I'm doing, bored at home, creating crappy little apps that they're trying to get approved. So hopefully it'll be on there eventually. But I hope you guys appreciate this a little bit. See how high of a score I can get. Pretty happy with how the everything tiles seamlessly. It took me forever to figure out what I was doing wrong. I must have been scaling something, or something was going wrong where the size of the cloud background, I think it was, or maybe it was the ground, something like that, was a fraction of a pixel. And it took me probably half an hour to figure out that if I just manually set the size to how many pixels that actually was, it would stop having this weird flickering on the seam. But you can't actually probably tell where the seam is at this point, but it's right. Oh, I died. It's right where that cloud is. Right here. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this. Hope you guys appreciate this little video, and hopefully this will be on the Play Store soon. You guys can download it. All right. I'll see you later.